Yeah. So, hello everyone. Good morning and good evening. So, let's start today's session. Uh, Give me 2 minutes. So, we'll start the server and all. Okay, we'll stop. 1 second. It will start. Meanwhile, yeah. So npm start and also one more. It is space client npm start. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So we got application back and so backend server is also running. So let's minimize that. Okay. So yeah, where we stopped last class is, let me just open this. Yeah, so where we stopped last class is we have discussed about this upload functionality. So upload functionality is working fine. Okay, uploading is working fine. Let me try to upload multiple things. Let me try to upload so multiple products. So let's make those things now, and then we'll continue with the next steps. Okay. So let's start with here. So let's say men's casuals. Let's make a image selection. I guess documents, no, desktop. Here Prince card men's. This is a men's casual shirt and category men's. Brand um something Levi's. Price 1850. Quantity 25 and description. Like, can we grab the description from here? Um, 1 second. Okay, some description copy, paste it and upload. Okay, successful. Go check. refresh. Yeah, we have to fine. And now upload again. So let's say each four. Okay, so let's say uh, regular wear, men's regular wear, and let me select this one. Open category menswear and brand. I don't know. Woodland and 1840 and some 25 shirts uploaded. Next, one more. So men's office shirts and choose image. It will be this one. Open Jitin. I'll talk to you. Wait. Category menswear, brand US Polo, 1520, quantity 25, description page, this one page, upload. Done. So let's check now. So when you refresh, you can have four men products. That's fine. Let's make multiple women's and kids as well. So let's take women's casual, casuals. So let me select the women's wear here. Women, one category women's and brand. I don't know. US Polo price 1520 and 35. Same description. Upload. Okay, check it out. Women. That's fine. One more. So let's say women office wear, women office wear, something, something this one. Okay, women's brand Levi's, price 1750, some number, this guy, and upload. Okay, so we get two. Let's upload two more. Upload. So um, women daily wear. Okay, let me select something for this. Is something open category women's wear brand. I don't know. Okay, Woodland and price some brand. Okay, don't worry. Yes, we need some product to upload it. That's it. Yeah, done. Check it out. Women three. Let's make one last one for women. Upload women. What? I guess women party wear. Something called this one. Women's brand US Polo and price I don't know 1950, quantity 45 and description upload. Okay, so we got women four. Fine. So one last kids we want four products. So let's say kids casual go to kids. Let's select this one. Okay, this is already there, no? You can select anything. Just select this one. Okay, kids wear brand US Polo. Price 1650, quantity 45, description usage upload. So check it out. You got the one kids. Fine. Next, one more. Go to kids school wear. School wear. Like something called I don't know what is Alex. School wear. Okay, something this one. Open category kids. Brand US kids. Um, 1650. Some quantity. Description usage upload. So we have total two kids. Yeah, two more. Upload. So kids Party wear. Okay, choose one. So party wear, I guess I can add some this one. I think you add okay, this one. Kids wear brand Indian kids 1780 quantity 25 description usage upload. Yeah, one last thing, kids. Yeah, three are done. Let's make one last one. Kids regular wear upload an image for this. This is the one category kids wear and brand Levi's and the price of 1520 and quantity 45. Some description and some usage upload. Fine. So refresh. Yeah. So we have menswear, kidswear. Everything is fine. Okay. So yeah, we got all the products uploaded. So now what's the thing is, when I click on menswear, I have to get only the menswear products and display here. Okay, it means when the page loads, yeah, this color have changed a little bit. Okay, so when the page loads, I have to get all the products. So when the page loads means ng on init get data from the server. Okay, so how you get data from server is you have to dispatch an action. So first let's start with let's close all. This is what menswear page. Go to app, products, components, menswear, HTML, and the TS file. Okay, so here I have to what I need to get data from the store and I have to dispatch an action for that. Okay, let me declare the dependency. So private store of type capital store, sorry, store, and this is of type the global state, the maximum dot reduces. If you go inside, yeah, this is the one product reducer. Fine, and now let's fetch data. So how to fetch data is let's say like this: dispatch an action to get all products and the keep in the ngrx store. So what I do is this dot store dot dispatch an action. So let me get all the actions from products. So let's say import star as product actions from dot slash action slash product actions. So here, so product actions dot get men's, yeah, get men collection. That's it. So once you call this, it's gonna fetch data and keep in the ngrx store. Let me check my store is filled with the four products or not, because we have men's four products, right? Men is four and each is four. Okay, total 12. One second. अरे यार, huh, four. So let me check. Let me just open a inspect redux redux. Yeah, see, get men's collection and get men's collection successful. So when you can see the state information with chart, you have a products. Four products are there. One, two, three, four are there. Levi's men is there. Yes, we fetch data and kept in the local store. And this data I have to fetch from the store and display here. So how to get data from the store is here only. Get the data from ngrx store or get products, not data, products from the store. So how I do is Um, how I do is let me declare the variable public products of type I product array is equal to an empty array, and I need to have error message and as well as the loading flag. So public, so error message of type string is equal to empty string, and also don't declare this, make nothing also, that's fine. Oh, you have to provide something. Okay, so public, what is this, loading flag, loading of type boolean. It says you have to assign some value, no initializer. Okay, is equal to false, I take. Okay, fine. So now fetch data. So how to fetch this dot store dot pipe select something. So I need to have a reducer feature key. Let me import a reducer. So import star as product reducer from dot dot slash reducer slash product reducer. Okay, and same thing I do here. Product reducer dot product feature key. Okay, so dot subscribe to store. Here you receive a function. This function receives the data. Not data, is just take state. Okay, so this state information I have to keep in my local. So how to do is this dot products, this dot product, this dot products is equal to state dot products. Okay, and this dot error message is equal to state dot error message if there, and this dot loading is equal to state dot loading. Fine. So we can able to fetch the data, all the products here. Let me check is that really fetching data from the database or not. Copy this, go to HTML. Just for time being, I'll print uh, a normal uh, this object. Let's say all products of type JSON format. So now check. See, it's able to fetch all the records from the server. Okay. So this data I have to display a proper images here. So let me comment this out, not required. So I have to loop through and display. So loop through means only one card is enough for looping. We don't need these many cards. So delete. So this card is not required. And also this card is not required. Okay, only one card is enough. Let's check. Yeah, only one. This we have to loop through with the original data. So it means, can I write some condition or something? Yeah, I write here star ngf products dot length is greater than 0. Okay, for each call md3, let me iterate. Okay, so I write star ng for let product of products. So for each product there is a separate card and card header, and in the place of src it must be a dynamic value. So I just take this as property binding. So src will be product dot image. Okay, fine. And next, yeah, list group here name. Let's make the expression. So product dot the same name of the products, and you can print the price and uh, okay, price. How to print the price is not just like this expression product dot price, but I want in a currency filter. Let's say currency, that to Indian currency, INR. Okay, you get the Indian currency. Let's check it out. Yeah, we got the four different products and four different numbers, right? So this data actually coming from the NGRX store. Okay, fine. And one more thing is loading flag was not there, right? Loading flag was not there. Let's make the loading flag. I mean loading spinner. So loading spinner, how to do, depend on the loading flag. Okay, so I need to have a spinner image. I guess I get from, I can download it, this gf file to download. I guess I have it. Where did I have, yeah, go to somewhere, morning batch, Angular code, brains card, client, src, assets, images, and this is a spinner. Copy. I guess I have already. Okay, I have already. If you go to assets, images, you have a spinner.gf. This is the one. Okay. So let me display the spinner if it is a loading. So where means exactly below here I'll display. Okay, this is for product list. Yeah, somewhere here. Let's add a comment. Loading spinner. Loading spinner. So I write one division with some image src dot slash asset slash image slash spinner dot gf and class margin auto and display block, and that's fine. You can just make some alt nothing. Okay, I got the image, but I have to write some condition for this. First check how the loading will display. Yeah, this is the loading flag. It's continuously looping because we are not given any condition for this. I guess I write a condition star ngf if loading. If loading, display the spinner. Then if not loading, this is star ng if not loading. Okay, if loading, display this. If not loading, then display this. Okay, and actually you can do one thing. If not loading and not loading and this condition. Okay, that's better. If not loading and product having some data, then you display that. Okay, go humans. Okay, woman is there. Means, yeah, we get the spinner a little bit, right? Okay, spinner is visible after some time. Yeah, because my data in the local, so definitely it doesn't take much time to load the spinner. Okay, fine. So add to cart, we'll see in a minute. Okay, so first of all, let's make the same thing for women's and kids. Okay, women's wear and kids wear. So let's start with the women's wear. Same setup, I guess. Yeah. Go open. Go open app, products, products and components. Women's wear, HTML and TS file. Okay, so same TS file we have to import the store. So private store of type store, and this is state. Okay, then what we do, and let's take a variables as well. I guess this is same as the menswear, right? Only thing is you have to dispatch women's products. Simply do one thing. I have the whole setup. Let's simply copy the complete setup because same thing. Women's wear also. Let's make it completely here. Okay. Okay. Products error message loading common, store common, actions common. Only thing is this one. Get women's collection. That's it. Remaining and all same to same. That's why I given a common name called products. I would have give men's products or something, but I want to copy paste. So products general name I given. Okay. So I got all the products. So these products I have to loop through and display. Okay. So what I do, go to women's.html and the loading spinner. Loading spinner same like menswear. Can I get the loading spinner copy? So men's HTML, paste it, loading spinner done. Next to what? I guess HTML also same, no? Loading products, correct? Same setup. Do one thing, complete product list section. Yeah, the complete product list section copy. replacing women's here. The complete product list. This much is not required. Let's make it our own. So this is just simply getting all the products and loop it and display. Same setup and all same. Check it out. See, we got the women's products. Okay, fine. Actually, this name should be little less because it is not fit here. Men's is fine, but women is, yeah, women's spinner also coming. Okay, I guess this we have to change. That's a simple cosmetic change. I guess is make it six head six. Yeah, that's super. Single line. And can I make men's also head six? Let's make this as little head six. Okay, so menswear and women's wear. But I want to display brand as well. Correct? No? Without brand, how it will be? Brand should be there. Okay, I do one thing. Below this, I make product dot brand for men's. Check it out. Yeah, brand display, but not this much. Can I do something called a small tag? A small tag I write just to display the brand. Small tag. So you get a small text with the brand. Okay, that's fine. US Polo, Levi's, and all. That's fine. Okay, but paragraph had six. Some margin was there. Can I say margin bottom 0? Okay, that's fine. So name US Polo and this guy. That's fine. And this is also, can I do H6 little? I mean, just less font size. Yeah, this is looks good. Okay, fine. And yeah, that's fine. So let's make a same setup of list group li copy. Go for women's and replace the list group. So brand as well as price. So go to menswear and women's wear. Yeah, this pretty well. Okay, fine. Now go for kids. Kids also exactly same. Can we go to kids now? Go to kids wear HTML and TS file. Yeah, TS file exactly same as any other TS file of when men and women. Yeah, let me grab for women. So products to this one copy. Go to kids where I'll replace here. Okay, done. Now what to change is get to kids collection because you already done with actions and all yesterday. So kids collection. Okay, so you get all the kids products. Display just like any other HTML. So go to women. Loading flag must required for kids as well. Go to kids HTML. Make the loading flag as well as product list. So product list same as the whole setup. Copy everything. Complete section. Give it for the kids. Simply replace the whole setup with a smaller section because it is iteration. Previously we just hard code value. Now iteration. Okay. So now check. You get all the kids. Okay, with the proper values and all, proper cards and all. Okay. So menswear, kids, menswear, women's wear, kids wear is working perfect. Done. Okay, so we are done with this part. And what is the next thing is? What is the next thing is? We also did one more router, one more action. I just go to the actions. Yep. When you go to actions, there are multiple actions. See, upload we have seen, get men's we have seen, get women we have seen, and get kids also we have seen. And what which is not there is get single product. What exactly mean by this get single product is the moment when I click on. Actually, when I click on this product, there is no click event as of now. When I click on this product, that particular product I want to open in the next page. the select product details page. Okay, so let's make that setup. I guess we have a component for that. uh, Products components, product details, yeah, is there. So kids, women, everything done, product details is there. Yeah, so when I click on a particular products, go to that page. Sir, how? So click on the products. I think we have configured product details also, right? In the routing, go to routing once. Yeah, only men kids upload is there. Details is not there. Let's add the one. So products, but already products is there, na? Because already products is there here. I mean, this module contains with products only, na? So products is slash. Can I do directly colon ID? Okay, so this is product detail. Array, product details component. Okay, so when I say slash ID, you get this product details component. So this is actually configured in my module. So products slash ID. So because this is module, no, module name starts with products, because module already configured in the app module. See here, I think app routing module. See products, all the products module is there. So product slash my ID. Okay, to get the data. And where we have to configure is on the page. So when I click on this guy, so click on means the image clickable. So go to close all, go to, this is what menswear image. Go to menswear HTML HTML image. Yeah, image is here. So this image to be a clickable. So can we do one thing? Can I cut this and anchor tag? So let's make the router link. So slash products slash ID. But how I make the ID then? Um, Wait, I tell you. Image keep it. Yeah, I want to make the dynamic ID. So can I say expression? No, not expression. Can I write uh, double quotes mm, expression with slash products slash product dot underscore ID. This way you do, I guess. But problem will be, I think not this way, man. There's something different. Yeah, slash products slash ID. So let's make expression now. So here product dot underscore ID. I guess this is correct. Yeah. So slash products is your module name slash the ID which you have configured in the router part. Okay. So when I click on that, it'll go to that page. Check it out. Yeah. When I keep a cursor also, yeah. See, when I keep a cursor, you're getting products slash the ID of the products here also, here, here, everywhere. Click on that. Yes, it's gone to product slash ID and I get the product details. I think we have not done the product details component setup. Yeah, how setup looks like is I guess I have a PPT. Details page looks like this one, image 7. Yeah, let's see how it is. Yeah, this is the product select page. Yeah, some image and all this. So let's start with this setup. Okay, as of now, this static. So here, yeah, this part is done. So let's go directly to product details page. So go to details HTML and TS file. Okay, HTML, it must be some intro section will be there. This like menswear intro section, copy. This is, sorry, intro section. So this say the selected product. Okay, check it out. Selected product. And here I have to display the product and right side some information. So before I do all this, I need to dispatch an action to get a particular product. Before you dispatch, I have to get this data. How to get this data? You need to have a activated route to get this ID from the URL, right? Activate route. So I go to the TS file. I just declare dependency. So private activated route of type activated route. Okay. So when the page loads, I have to get the ID. How you get the ID is this dot activated route dot param map dot subscribe. So here you will receive the param of type capital param param map. Yeah, inside is param map, query param map. We have seen both, right? Yeah, it's just a param map. Okay, so I just store with my local variable public product ID of type string is equal to just empty string. As of now, I'll take. Okay, so let me put it there. So this dot product ID is equal to param dot get of ID. Okay, you get that. But type string or not, I'll not have a type string. What man? This is string only, no? Type string or null is not assignable to the type string. Change to. Okay, okay. Actually, why it is telling in that way, when we have taken the product ID, when you take the I products, yeah, very intelligent. Huh? Okay, when you take the model, I have taken the ID string only, no? Then okay, maybe the param dot get is sometimes you get the null if you don't have anything there. So that's why it is asking to particularly define either string or null you get. Okay, that's why it's asking you to make this way. Okay, 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 fine. Because we are doing the Angular 11, right? I guess what is that? Package.json. If you go there, not the server. Angular package.json. Yeah, see everything Angular 11. Okay, maybe in Angular 11 we have done a lot of changes. It seems. Okay, maybe in the TS lint configuration also they have done some changes. That's why it is looking for a pretty perfect typing. Okay, that's fine. That's good for us also. That's fine. Okay, so now this is fine. Yeah, we got the product ID. Let me see the product ID. Go to the HTML. Let me print it somewhere here. Pre-tag expression product ID. Now check. I need to get the ID. Yes, same ID F8 has come. Okay, so once you get this ID, you have to dispatch an action to get the proper data and display. Okay, so you confirm that you got the product ID. Now you have to dispatch an action to get the proper data. How to dispatch an action? We need to have a store, right? Okay, so I say private store of type store, and this is straight. Check it out. Yeah, fine. Now let me have actions and all to dispatch and all. So let me import star as product actions from dot dot slash action slash productions, and also have import star as product reducer from dot dot slash reducers slash product reducer. Okay, so I got both, and now what I do is get okay, let's say dispatch an action to get a single product information and keep in keep in ngrx store. Okay, so how dispatches this dot store dot dispatch an action. So product actions dot get product, single product. Okay, but single product you have to provide the id, because this action will take a props product id. To fetch particular product you have to provide it, right? So here product id will be this dot product id. Fine. What's the problem? Type string or null is not assignable to the type string. uh, okay, I'll go to actions. I make this as string or null. Okay, I guess now happy. Yes. Something strictly typing. Okay, yeah, id, this is the product id, is sent it, done. So when I dispatch particular product is having the product in ngrx, we have the data now. Check it out. Let me inspect redux. Yeah, get to product collection successful is done. So when I can see the state chart, see the particular product, created id, name, brand, price, image, category, description, everything has come, and the same id, see f8 correct. So this is fine working. So we have data. Let's fetch display here. So how to fetch? Now say get the product, get the product information from ngrx store. So I just fetch, but where I keep. Okay, let me declare the variables public selected product of type I product. Okay, uh, I just take null. That's not possible. You have to give something for that. That's a bigger problem because it is very strictly typed. So it's not allowing you to assign null. You can't have empty object also because all are mandatory fields. You can't take empty. You can't even just declare also because you must need to have initializer. Can I do some more actions? Add undefined. No, 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 no. Not like that. Can I do one thing? Sorry. Can I do one thing? I just make an object with all the fields. But all these things is time waste now. But you have to add. Without that, you can't proceed only. Okay, then write it. ID is required empty, and name as of now empty. Name empty. Next, uh, brand price null. Next, quantity null. Image empty. Usage empty, and description empty. Category empty. Okay, now you have empty data. Let me assign some data for this guy. So how you do is this dot state, sorry, store dot pipe select, select what, uh, product reducer dot product feature key dot subscribe. Yep, here let's make some state you receive here. So this state I have to keep it to my local product. So this dot product, yeah, selected products is equal to state dot product, single product. Okay, Again, what's the problem? Maybe in the state we have defined this product as, see, it says that I product or null is not assignable to I product, type null is also not assignable to this. Maybe in my action, not action, maybe in the reducer here, get to product I product. This is what you receive from there. Maybe from the store. Yeah, go to reducer once. In the reducer, this is defined as I product or null. So it is looking for the same type only. Okay, so let's make this as I product or null. Then if I say I product and null, then what's the question of defining everything? Simply you can delete now. Okay, this way you can do. Just define the default value null. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah. So assign to the product. Fine. And let me check what is my product on my screen. So go to HTML. Here I write pre-tag expression selected product of type JSON of type JSON. Let's check now. I get the particular product, men's sweatshirt US Polo. You can do one thing. You can select this one. Yeah, men's casual. This guy. Super. So now we can get the data. So what we have to do is display proper. So how to display is display the selected products. Okay, before that I also display some loading flag. So can I do one thing? Can I make public error message of type string is equal to an empty string and public loading of type boolean is equal to just false. Okay, so now what I do is here, so this dot error message is equal to state dot error message and also this dot loading. So this dot loading is equal to state dot loading. That's fine. Okay, I got the loading flag. So based on loading flag, I want to display the spinner. How I display spinner? Just like yeah, here. Copy this. Go to my product details. Paste it here. Okay, so it works pretty well. Fine. So now selected product. So let's take a section. Design it now. So section with a class called P3. I also write star ngf not loading and selected product. Okay, if not loading and selected product having some data, then you display. Okay, so one container, one row, I guess two columns, call MD, I guess 6 and 6. So call MD6 and then call MD6. Okay, so first call MD6 image. Let me write image tag, src dynamic. So property binding, selected product dot image and width and height not required, I guess. So class image fluid and alt nothing, alt nothing. Let's check how it is. Okay, that way. You just click on this. Yeah, like this. Okay, fine. But I want this to be written right side. You can just say text to center or something. Okay, some margin top because almost touch. Some margin top 3. Okay, so right side we want the content like this format: name, brand, price, uh, selected quantity, and add to cart button. Add to cart button. Okay, so let's do one thing. Um, yeah, this thing right side. Can I write some what h3 and all you do, but I'm just thinking. Okay, so p dot h4 name of it. So name in it's bold text. So I write span class font weight bold name selected product dot name. Okay, next brand same thing copy. So it's a brand. This is brand. Next price. So paste again. This is price. So price. This is price. But I want this to be not just a number like this. It must be a rupee symbol with all. So I just write a filter, currency filter provided with INR code, Indian rupees. Check it out how it is. Yes, fine. Okay, but thing is, I need 1 second. I need like something lowercase and this is bold. But what I got is something like this. Can I say instead of P with the class, can I write directly H4? Let me check. I'm not sure what is the tag over there. Um, yeah, now bets. Yeah, fine. I guess it is just H4, not P tag with H4. H4 and this guy also H4. H4. Okay. Or make a smaller text because H4 also makes bigger. H5 you do little smaller one. That's fine. And also below that, below this, we have yeah, we have one select box, select quantity, add to cart. We'll do that in a minute. And below that we have a care instructions and all. So can I write below this one paragraph tag expression selected product dot uh, description dot usage. So description usage both will display. Check it out. Okay, like this. Description usage both will display. And along with this, I need some. I don't want space over there. Actually, you can make some text left or something. Skip left hand side. Okay, that's not coming. Hmm, I think it's by default left only. Okay, okay. By default is left align. Okay, so can I write something called no gutters? If I write no gutters, then no space. Still the same. Maybe image is much. I can write something called I 5 and 7. So okay, this is nice. Fine. And yeah, now below the price, you can display price in some different color. Price text to danger. Okay, nice. So below the price, I want to make a select box and the button for add to cart. So the whole thing is a form actually. So I just do one thing. Below the price, I write a comment, select quantity. Let's write a form, or can we write a division and then form? Yeah, I write a form with select box, division, the class called form group, and then select box. Yeah, select box with a class called form control. Let's make an option. Select quantity, empty. Select a quantity and option. This maximum you can select five. Okay, just say one. It's one. So like that you can make maximum five items you can select at a time. Okay, so I just hard code values for. Okay, you have an array or something you can loop and display also, but I just hard code like this. Yep, fine. And also we need to have a button. So let's say input type is equal to button or link. I guess it's just a link tag because when I click on add to cart, it just go to the cart page. Okay, when I click on add to cart, it has to go to a cart page. So cart page means it must be a link, correct? So I write here below the division, I write one anchor tag. So just make a router link. But link you do, but problem is I need to add to cart. I need to dispatch an action. If it is that link, it will go to the page. See, if I make a link, it will directly go to the page. But when you make an action to add to cart, oh, do one thing. Just make a simple button. We'll see that later. Okay. As of now, just take a simple button. The class called btn minus btn minus brains. Okay, and btn minus sm. Let's say add to cart. Okay, check it out. Add to cart button. That's fine. And what about this? Yeah, but it's a huge select box. I need a small one. Can I write with a class called form inline? Okay, but I need this below only. Okay, so form inline. Can I do this? It's not a form submission, no? Simply make it outside then. Then okay, that's fine. That's fine. You can also make some space around for the button. Um, spacer. You can give margin top and bottom. My to top and bottom space. Okay, fine. So this way, check it out. So click on this guy. I got it. Click on this guy. Got it. Click on this guy. Got it. Okay, fine. So we can able to do this selection. Done. Now what is do is go to women's. When I click on, it's not no click event here. Okay, so let's make this also clickable. Only menswear I have done the clickable. Okay, we have done this page. So this pages works same for everyone, but only thing is you have to make a link for the image. Yeah. So where you do is in menswear, what I did in menswear, yeah, I made a anchor tag with image. Copy this as it is. Go to women's wear also image. You do the same. It will go to directly my details component. Okay. So for components, okay, kids wear HTML image. Yeah, this image I replaced it with my anchor tag with image, and also for women's wear HTML, this image replace it with anchor tag with image. So if you have done this, it'll go to details page with all the details. Let's check it out. Yeah, women's wear clickable now. Click on this. Yeah, we got the proper data. Go back. This one. Yeah, all are working. Yes, it's working now. Go to kids. It is working, but it's showing this is clear image, no? This is little blur. because we given our own width and height. No, that's a problem. So it is clear image. It's clear now. Our own width and height are given. That's a problem. That's fine because without width and height, all our images are different sizes. So I just use the same. Okay, fine. So this is done, and women's wear is done. Kids wear is done. That's fine. Now, something which is not done is select a quantity. Correct. When I select the quantity, that to be binded here, and then click on add to cart. We'll go to cart page. That is not done. Okay, we'll do that now. Okay, so when I select something, there is no binding for this. Yeah, let's make a binding of this selection. So I guess let me close all. Go to the product details page. Details page. What? HTML. Yeah, TS file and HTML both. In TS file, I'll take a variable public selected quantity of type number is equal to null. I take. Okay, what's the problem? Null not assignable to number. God. Okay, I'll just take like this. Yeah, I'll just take string. I'll take string one. I'll take. Okay, selected quantity one. Okay, okay. Or can I take empty string also? String no, empty string I'll take. Okay, selected quantity empty string. Let me attach to my select box. Go to the HTML select box. So here it is. Let's add some name, selected quantity, and ng model. Selected quantity. Okay, and let me see the value of it somewhere above the form. I write pre-tag expression selected quantity. Let's see how it gets changed. Yeah, it is just empty. So when I select one, we got four. What man? I select four is coming three, five, one, two, three is not there. Four is there. Oh, okay. Got it. I just made four and four, three and four. Okay, but this type of issues will come. So that's why you have to cross check. Okay, one, two, three, four is there. Three is coming. Four is coming. Five is coming. That's fine. And if we don't select empty, that's fine. Yeah. So quantity, how much you select. When I click on add to cart, it's supposed to go to the cart page. Okay, cart page is this one, order slash cart. So this page has to go. Okay, so click on add to cart, go to page. Before you go to page, I need to do a lot of things. Correct. What is that is I need to add the whole item in the cart. Add to item. Add item means you need to have an action for that. Correct. Action, reducer, everything required now. Okay, because this is cart again, and that's a separate. This is a separate module. Okay, do one thing. Let's take a 5 minutes break, and then we'll catch up with the cart actions and all. Okay. So yeah, just take 5 minutes break, and now we'll meet at 7 13 plus 5 7 18 p.m. we'll meet. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Now, mm, what we have to do? Okay. Okay. Fine. So we got up to here. So now what we do is when I select something, yeah, it's working, and don't display this unnecessarily. Why required? We'll remove that pre tag not required now. This pre tag not required. Okay. So now when I come on load it. Okay. Now when I just click on add to cart, it's supposed to add to cart. Supposed to add to cart means you need to have a actions for this. So add to cart is doesn't deal with server. Okay. Previously menswear means what? It get data from the server. Get data from server. Upload means it will upload data to server. But cart is maintain the local. Okay. So if cart is maintaining in the local, so when I click on add to cart, first of all here, later we'll see this add to cart button. As of now, this button. If I click on add to cart, I have to dispatch an action. I just get the data and put it in the cart. So only one action required, no success failure because it just add to cart. Okay. So I do one thing, close all, go to the cart actions. It's a separate setup. Orders, actions, order actions. Yeah, here only add to cart and all will come. Okay, so let's make uh, can I do add to cart success, add to cart failure or like that or not success failure required. Just go delete. Okay, so let's say add to cart. Let's make it add to cart. Okay, so this is order, same setup, add to cart. Okay, this is a simple action and let's start with the reducer. Go to reducers, order reducer. Here, state add to cart means what will be there inside. What will be there inside is you need to have something called um, loading you do or mm, can I say actually for add to cart loading will not be there because no server, no loading. Okay, so let's say cart items will be there. Cart items of type uh, I product array. Okay, cart no separate setup. Cart item means what? All the product items only. All products you have to keep in one array. That is I product array only. And I guess no error message. But at the cart items, what will be there? One second, I got a doubt here. For cart items, yeah, one second, let me go to the morning batch. Morning batch, Angular code, Wins cart client, SRC, app. I get orders, yeah, actions. If you go to action, yeah, action we know. Reducer we want. Reducer, order reducer. Okay, we have loading also. My loading, uh, loading is there, but I never use the loading flag. Somewhere send server and all we use loading. Okay, okay, for that. But cart actually not required. Okay, for orders and all we need loading. That's fine then. Okay, okay, understood. So here, yeah, let's take loading. Loading not required for our cart actually, but for orders and all we required because we have to keep the order into server. So just for the sake of that, loading loading of type false, that is a boolean type, and error message type string. Okay, orders and all we'll do later. Okay, so let's make something here. Same setup. Cart items with an empty array. Loading, let's take false. Error message, let's take empty string. Now, yeah, before I proceed this reducer, let me attach this reducer with the state. We have added product reducer till now. Now order reducer also. So go to the global NGRX state in the reducers index.js. Yeah, here let's make the cart reducer or order reducer. Import star as order reducer from dot slash uh, orders folder slash reducer slash order reducer. So I just have to configure in proper. I just write order reducer dot order feature key value order reducer dot state. Okay, and same way here reducer. I make order reducer dot order feature key value will be order reducer dot reducer. So once you add this, now your state is filled with both of the data. Let me check now. I go to inspect redux. If you see the state chart, see now earlier only product was there. Now order also has come. Okay, with cart items loading and error. Got it? This is extra has come in your state. Okay, initialization also same thing. Initialization also like that. Product and order that way. Fine. Okay. So now let's start with order reducer. Okay, on let me import actions. Import star as order actions from dot slash action slash order actions. So here on order actions dot add to cart comma, yeah, you take the state and return something. Actually one problem is there. What is that is add to cart fine, but what will add to cart? Cart items is an array. So when I dispatch an action add to cart, simply what it means, you need to add some item to the cart now. Okay, so let's add props. Okay, so let's take product I product. Okay, you need to add a particular item to the cart. So because here in this page, when I click on add to cart, this whole product is adding to cart. Okay, this image, brand, everything. Okay, that I have taken add to cart. So here you will get the props as well, the product that will be add to cart. So add to cart means what? Dot state and cart items. So I just say cart items will be an array of dot cart items, uh, sorry, state dot cart items comma product. Okay, what I'm doing is cart items value will be an array which keep hold of existing data. So maybe cart items will have existing products also, na? So that data and my product also. So complete data will be in the whole cart items now. Okay, that way. Fine. So reducer ready and effect and all not required for this action. Action effects and all not required. It's just a local action, so effect not required. Only server side actions. Okay, any server service everything for that effect is required. For this is enough. Okay, so now action ready, reducer ready. Let me dispatch an action when you click on the button. Okay, okay, when you click on the button, you can dispatch an action, but how to send to the page? Mm, wait, when I click on this button, it will add to cart and redirect. Can I do redirect here only? Yes, of course you can do. Can I do one thing? This button you click on. So you click on the button on the page is this guy. Okay, go to product details, go to the uh, products, components, details, HTML and TS file. In HTML, in HTML, Yeah, when I click on this button, I'll apply the click event. So just say click add to cart, one function. Okay, when I click on this button, I'm calling add to cart. Let's copy, go to TS file. I'll make a function over here. So public click add to cart. So here I have to dispatch an action for add to cart. You can make a dispatch action, but thing is, uh, the product I have to send it. Okay, so what I do, we have a store, right? We have a store, right? Yeah, dispatch. Dispatch means we need to have actions. Okay, let's import star as order actions from dot dot slash uh, again dot slash orders module slash action slash order actions. Okay, so let's make here dispatch an action, dispatch an action to add an item or to add a product to cart. How? Store, no, this dot store dot dispatch order actions dot add to cart, provided what? Provided with the product will be my this dot selected product. Okay, what's the problem? Null assignable to products. Okay, okay. This product is taken as I product or null, but my parameter is not taken as that way. So if we go to add to cart, yeah, let's take this guy or null. Okay, so now this issue will go. Okay, you dispatch an action, so your cart will contain your data. Can we check now? And also let's redirect to cart page. Redirection means what? We need to have a router. Okay, let's make a router. So private router of type capital router from Angular router. Okay, so once it is done successful, I'll redirect. Okay, what to do is, yeah, let's say router, this dot router dot navigate to what? Navigate to cart page. How to get the cart page URL? I guess here you can check. If you click on cart, array, this is the cart. This is the cart URL. Copy. So make it here, cart page. Okay, that's fine. So when I click on the button, dispatch an action, add to the cart. So in NGRX, we have a cart items and then go here. So once you go there, get data from the NGRX and display. Nice. So what I'm saying is, see here, if I click on this, I got here. Okay, when I select something, I click on add to cart, what happens is it will dispatch an action. So this item will keep in the cart and then redirect to cart page. Okay, now in the cart, we have data. You want to see that? Go inspect, redux. See now add to cart is done. So if you can see the state now, chart, see order, cart items, one item is there already. What is the item? Menswear. Okay, now I go to women's wear. I select this, add to cart. Now check the last one. You have two items added. Okay, two items. When I go to kids wear, I select one, add to cart. Okay, check the latest. You got three items in the cart. This way. So one, two, three items are there in the cart. Kids, women, men. That's super. So these items I have to read and display here properly. Okay, I have to read and display items properly here. How I display, get data from the store. So get data from the store and display here. Okay, okay. So what I do is get data from the store now. So how to get data from the store in the cart items is, let's go to the cart page now. Go to cart page, get data from the store. So go to the cart page. Where is cart page? Orders, components, cart, HTML, TS file. So you want to fetch data. So what we do? Public uh, cart items of type I product array of items is equal to an empty array. And let me declare the dependency on the store because I have to get data from the store. So private store of type capital store. Okay, this is of type state. This is state. Let me check. Yeah, proper state. Done. And then you have to get data from the store. So what I do, let's import something. Import star as order actions from dot slash action slash order actions, and also import star as order reducer from dot slash reducer slash order reducer. Now fetch data. So when the page loads, get the cart items from ngrx store. Sir, how? This dot store dot pipe inside select order actions, sorry, order reducer dot order feature key dot subscribe to store. Then you have accept to store, you have access to store state, and I say I just add the data to my cart items. So this dot cart items is equal to state dot cart items. Done. So now your cart items is filled with data. And let me see the cart items now. Copy this. Go to HTML. I just display for time being pre-tag expression cart items of type JSON. Okay. Now check. No data. That's fine. Yeah. When I just add this guy, add to cart. See, one item is added. Okay. When I go to women's wear, this one add to cart. See, two items are there. Go to kids wear, one products, add to cart. Now cart items contain three items. This way. Okay. But as of now, um, thing is, yeah, as of now, the problem is if you can refresh the page, everything goes away. Because refresh the page means your local store also will get refresh. Okay. But at least I'll do one thing. At least for time being, I'll keep some data just to retrieve. Can I do one thing? I'll just take this array, copy. I'll just go to my just for timing, okay? Just to finish off the order page. So that's my order reducer. Instead of empty array, I'll just take this guy. So I have taken some data in the cart item because always I want to have one item. Okay, always I need to have one item to fix my page. Later I'll delete it. Okay. So summary is showing reducer state product. No overload match this call. Order this man. Product is there now. Any error here? Here no error. Yeah, here also no error. Then what's the problem? No overload matches this call. Cart items I have already some data. Then what's the issue here? Okay, so what's happening here? Okay, If I don't write anything, then error is gone. Still there. It was not there, na? Add to cart, state and product. Why unnecessarily this one? Hmm. We didn't get this error earlier, right? If I keep a cursor, it says something something. It's not even showing the error, man. Okay, I go to add to cart. If I don't write null, then it's happy. What, man? Earlier, if I add null, is the happy? Something weird. Okay, okay, fine. Uh, Go here. Get one product. Yeah, I need add to cart. Yeah, this item I want to keep in the cart for all the time. Okay, just to fix the page. Yeah, I have some item. Then no error. That's fine. I guess should not be there. Underscore v also should not be there. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So now at least one item is there. Yeah. So now what you do is just define the cart page now. Let's design the cart page. So cart page, how it looks like is this one. You have a card with all the cart items and total and all this. So let's make the setup now. Cart items and all. Okay, so go to the cart component.html. I don't need this pre tag now. Let's add a cart items table. Let's add a section with the class called p3, section with the class called p3, and inside we have so two columns. Okay, one container dot row, two columns. One is I think 8 column and 4 column layout. So call md8 and also call md4. So in the column md8 we have a table. So let's add a table with the class called table and table hover, text center, table striped and table what, table brains. No, let's say bg brains. Okay, in the t head table row th star 6 tab. So 1 2 3 4 5, actually not directly table, man. We have a card body have a table. Okay, इसको cut करो. Yeah, we have actually card header and then card body have a table. So card header background dark, busy dark text to brains. Let's say text is p dot h for your card items, and here image name I think only 5. Okay, I guess only 5. Okay, image name, price, quantity, action. Image name, price, quantity, action. Or else 1 2 3 4 numbers also you can make. Correct? No? Okay. Yeah. I write what? I write looping. So star ng for let cart item of cart items. Okay, I make. You can actually do one thing. Let index Okay, let's say let I is equal to index, and I guess we can add the index here, or I plus 1. Can I check? 1 has come, but no card header. Blunder mistake. Actually, I was. This is card data, not a card header. Okay. No, no, no. It's actually T body then. Okay. Actually, I'm writing data. Okay. Name, image, and all. But before that T. But these are all what? Table row, table data. No. Okay. Okay. I made a mistake. Yeah. T body, table row, table data. And here we have a T head, table row, TH star 5 or 6 tab, serial number, image, and what else is there? Name of the products, quantity, price, action. Name, quantity, let's say like this, price, quantity, action. Okay, so same way I write here, image, right, image tag, src is as a property binding, src, cart item dot image, let's say width and height, let's say width some 50 and height 100. Let's take alt nothing, and name. So let's make cart item expression cart item dot name, and the price cart item dot price with the currency filter of type Indian currency, and quantity cart item dot qty. One more is action. So action will be a simple button. So let's take a button with a class called btn minus danger btn minus sm, and let's say delete is my button. So that's fine, I guess. Yeah, you have one item because height is more, I guess. Okay, height just take 80. Okay, fine. But this must be a bold text, and this table, that's fine. Table is fine. Yeah, this must be a bold text. So how to do? Bold text means go to the style.css global. Let's write somewhere here dot table t body table row table data. Let's make font weight bold. Okay, you get the bold text. Okay, so now let me check all the things. So menswear, I add this guy, add to cart. So it is added. I go to menswear, this girl, add to cart. So it is added. Nice. But something is missing. Plus symbol is not there. Minus symbol is not there. Delete functionality we have not done, and this page is not done. Okay, fine. So enough for this class today. Okay, and the remaining cart and checkout page profile and all will start in the next class. Okay, so I guess cart contains a lot of options, like the complete code operation will be increment, delete, so all the things you have to check. So we'll see this step tomorrow. Okay, so we'll do 1 second. Yeah, we'll do this thing tomorrow, right? So thank you so much, and we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.